What's up, everybody? This is Coach Q. I'm the Director of Strength Conditioning for Regent Athletics. And I'm coming at you with a video about what exercise really is. So out of the past several years of training athletes and fitness clients for fat loss, I've seen a lot of the same things. Everyone resorts to cardio to achieve their purpose. A lot of them also do improper warm-ups. They come in wanting to do bicep curls immediately and stuff like that. They also have no clearly defined goals. So I want to fix all of these. So in defining a purpose, I want to make sure that this really appropriates to what your life is outside of the gym, right? So if your purpose is to stay fit so you can have better exam scores, then you would have to appropriate a workout accordingly. That fits your schedule, that's really quick, that's really short to the point. If your purpose is to get bigger, maybe add on more muscle, guys, then it would be a little bit different outline that you would have to really regulate throughout the week. I want to make sure that you have a clearly defined purpose and you've written it out. I like to hang it up right there on the refrigerator or put it in my car right there in front of my eyes. We can also make sure that we're staying consistent and that we're willing to sacrifice for that purpose. So the next part is I want to make sure you know how to build an outline of your workout. The workout should include a warm-up for about 3 to 5 minutes. The next part can be some core and movement-based core exercises. The next thing should be a push and pull exercises and always accommodate legs in there. Now you can structure all of these to be done right after each other with minimal to no rest, so at your tempo, so that you are incorporating some conditioning components in there. So a sample outline for anyone who wants to actually just start going to the gym and getting themselves started from the baseline is you want to start with a 3 to 5 minute warm-up. After that, I like to go into core to make sure that the blood keeps going and also we're developing a strong base. And then we go into another part of the workout that includes conditioning and muscular conditioning. So cardiovascular and muscular conditioning. We put squats, push-ups, and pull-ups or body weight exercises all back to back, so that there's a conditioning component involved. So the focus will be on this last part is muscular conditioning and cardiovascular conditioning. Both of those are going to be put together when we have body weight exercises that are done in succession right after each other. When defining your goals, you have to figure out what you're trying to accomplish throughout the week and how working out will help you with that. Let's say, like me, you have a discipline issue, right? So in this discipline issue, you want to really exercise your disciplinary muscles, essentially, right? So that means you focus on one thing for a longer period of time. A lot of my athletes really want to focus on getting big. Their focus is not really on their athletic ability, but more on size of their muscles because they think it looks good, and that's not bad, but their purpose is to be better athletes. Getting big is not getting in the way of you actually being able to move correctly. And that brings us to our last point. I want your focus to be movement-based, not muscle-based. So movement-based is what pertains to life a lot better than being focused on one little tiny isolation of a muscle. That's nefarious, really, in the grand scheme of things. It doesn't really help you as much as if you focus on movement. So your body moves in a series of rotations and spirals. And this was introduced to me by my mentor, the body moving on a series of rotations and spirals. So we want to imitate that in our workout. We don't want to just do all one-dimensional exercises. We want to incorporate movements and twists as we row and as we do push-ups and stuff. So I really want to make sure your focus is not muscle, it's on imitating movements that you would do outside the gym. So all this effort sums up to a system in the body that really God designed with perfection. That is a central nervous system. The central nervous system needs to be stimulated, and it's only done through max effort. Intervals where you're given 100% effort, exercises where you're going all the way to failure. Unless you're doing this, and you're really finding that 100% failure, you're never going to stimulate your central nervous system, and you're never going to see results. There's no body composition changes outside of the gym that you're from all your efforts in the gym and sacrifices. It doesn't amount to anything unless you clearly define your goals, you do proper layout of your workout according to those goals, and you have a purpose for sacrificing and coming to the gym and putting in all that effort.